In this chapter, you are going to create a simple mobile application where the data source is a Microsoft Excel workbook that is stored in Microsoft OneDrive for Business. And also keep in mind that you can use data from many other sources including Microsoft SharePoint, cloud services like Salesforce, and on-premises sources like Microsoft SQL Server. You can just search for Microsoft Power App in Google. Or you can directly type powerapps.com in URL box. Since you already have an Office 365 account, you can use your Microsoft email address which ends with mgtsjpac.lk as a username and the password to log into your Power App account. If you successfully log in to the Power Apps, you can see the home page of Microsoft Power App as seen in the display. Activity 1. Create a mobile application called Expense Tracking System which will help you to store and keep track of all of your expenses. This application helps you to manage your spendings in a proper manner. Now we are going to create a data source. You can download an Excel file called Expense Tracking Application from the LMS. And then go to your Power Apps account again and click OneDrive and upload your downloaded Excel file to your OneDrive account. Now we are going to create your new application using Common Data Services. You can click Create button in Power Apps homepage and then click Common Data Services. Then you can choose the connection type. Choose OneDrive for Business as a connection type. After selecting it, you can see OneDrive for Business is appearing on your right hand side and click Create. Then you can see your uploaded Excel file and you may select it. Then you can see table 1 and select and click connect. Now your application is almost over. You can customize your application as you wish. When you are done with the customization part, make sure to save your application by giving it a name. You can save your application by clicking over File, and then you can choose any icon under any color and put any sign, and make sure that you give your application a name. And if you want, you can give a brief description to your application. Then you can click Save As in left hand side and then click Save. So now your application is saved successfully. And also you can share your application among your colleagues if you want. You can share your application by clicking on share, and then you can use their Microsoft email address to share the application with them. And also you need to give access to your data file stored in OneDrive to your friends.